Arguably the oldest and most crucial skill human beings have collectively developed over the millennia are those involved in growing and preparing foods. We all must eat to survive, and eating well means we're living well. Preparing your own food gives an understanding of exactly what you're fueling your life with. Growing your own food grants an even deeper understanding of where the ingredients come from. I'm not quite there yet. Stay tuned. One of the easiest ways to start on developing your cooking powers is by simply following a recipe. Normally, following canned instructions isn't my style, but when it comes to a topic as deep and broad and cultural as cooking, following a recipe allows us to analyze, make adjustments, make mistakes, identify potential problems, and sometimes allows an expert, the person who wrote the book, to tell you what they would do. And that's a great insight into someone else's life and expertise. Cooking allows us an opportunity to participate in a tradition as old as humanity itself. Cooking allows us an opportunity to try to understand our place in the universe. The ebb and flow of energy in the universe moves through the plant as much as through us. The severe amount of action required to cultivate and grow this ingredient in order to bring this here gives us perspective about our place in reality. Respect the ingredient, respect yourself. I want you to share a recipe, maybe even your favorite recipe, in the comments or in the Discord, and we'll be back at number 4.